I have been in
olukungaana luno olwagendereddwamu okulaba engeri y'okutumbula empeereza mu byobulamu eri bannansi lwatandise ku Lwokutaano lwa wiiki eno. Abategesi b'olukungaana luno aba Uganda Medical Association nga kye kibiina ekitaba abasawo mu ggwanga baasabye gavumenti okuyisa etteeka lya yinsuwa erinaasobozesa n'abanaku okufuna obujjanjabi.
But the most important, where we gave opinion about 4 years ago, which is a game changer in this country, is the National Health Insurance Scheme Bill. We appeal to you that, Your Excellency, you trust us to deliver this promise so that we can express solidarity with the very poor and protect them from catastrophic health expenditure.
Akulira ekibiina kino Dr. Ekwaro Obuku ajjukiza gavumenti ku mugaso gw'okuteeka abasawo abakugu malwaliro g'ejjeezimba kigasobozesa okuba n'empeereza ennungi.
I could not imagine that Moroto had this superstructure as a hospital, but without specialists. So, Your Excellency, for the avoidance of doubt, you have invested in the physical infrastructure. You have also invested in the human capital infrastructure. But we as doctors have failed to connect these two. And as Uganda Medical Association, I pledge to you, we will work with the Ministry of Health to connect doctors to the public health system.
Omukulembeze w'eggwanga Yoweri Museveni yagaddewo olukungaana luno era n'asaba abasawo okukomya okukandanga gavumenti ensimbi ng'agamba nti ensonga zaabwe azimanyi.
Don't cause any crisis, because by causing any crisis, you are actually delaying. First of all, it's not necessary, because I don't need any convincing that doctors should be paid well or that scientists should be paid well. I don't need any convincing. I don't need any strike. I don't need any lecture. I know it, but what can we afford? What can we manage, given all these other things we can do?
Museveni era awadde ensonga lwaki gavumenti yalowooza ku ky'okuleeta abasawo okuva e Cuba n'ategeeza nga bw'ali anaatera okuva mu mbeera asibe buli musawo yeekalakaasa kubanga abalwadde be baali babonaabona.
Then my doctors now start, oh, we are not going to work. You are not going to work. But if you don't work, people will die. We don't mind. You don't mind? Okay. For me, I wanted to arrest you after and put you in jail. But these people in the cabinet, they said, oh, they are the ones who called me. But for me, I was on another trajectory. I wanted to do to get hold of you and put you in jail. And bring the Cubans. I wanted to bring the Cubans because you didn't want to work.
Oh no. Awabudde abasawo okuyiga okuyisa ebitono bye balina nga gavumenti bwe bayiyiza ebisingawo gamba ng'emisaala n'ebikozesebwa.
Oh, they don't have this. They don't have that. I went to the bush. When I went to the bush, I did not have guns, but I got them. Me, I'm an expert in improvisation. Doing things with inadequate resources. Let's start a new medical school. Because these figures you are producing are not enough.
Ku mukolo guno, abantu ab'enjawulo baasiimiddwa olw'obuweereza bwabwe eri eby'obujjanjabi by'eggwanga. Ali Mevule, NTV ku ssaawa emu.
mention that since this is a scientific conference,